Hello students. So today's topic is application of trigonometry. So let's solve few questions that have been asked in boards and see how to solve them with proper steps. Okay. So the first question, let us read. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower 24-meter high from the foot of another tower in the same plane is 60 degree. Meaning there are two towers. Okay. अभी ये समझ में आ रहा है हमको क्वेश्चन में कि that there are two towers. One tower is 24-meter high. Now angle of elevation of top of tower 24-meter high. तो इसका टॉप से इसके टॉप पर एक एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बन रहा है कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ अनदर टावर. एक और टावर है, इसके फुट से बना रहे हैं हम, इसके टॉप तक आई एम मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन एज 60 डिग्री. बोथ आर इन सेम प्लेन, मींस ग्राउंड पे सेम हाइट से ये ऐसे है. ओके, सेम प्लेन से. नाउ द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ टॉप ऑफ सेकंड टावर फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ फर्स्ट टावर. अभी ये पहला फर्स्ट टावर था, इसके फुट से इधर तक जो एंगल जा रहा है दैट इज हाउ मच? 30 डिग्री. Find the distance between the two, meaning you have to find out this distance. Okay, height of other tower, you have to find out. Then also find the length of the wire attached to the tops of both the towers. ये दोनों tower के top को join करो. You need to calculate this length also. Okay, आपको ये भी calculate करना है. Fine. So let's begin with the question. So I'll write this as A, B, C, D. So now here let AB be the tower of height 24 centimeter. Okay, and CD be the second tower. Mention these things. It will take hardly 1 minute if you write it properly. Yeah, less than 1 minute, only few seconds maybe. And BD is the distance between them. Between two towers. Okay, and AC is the length of wire that you have to find. You need to find these three things. Okay, now let's begin with one triangle at a time. Let's say in triangle ABD, I'm taking this ABD triangle first. Yeah, why? Because if you see here, hypotenuse to nahi hai, like you have given here the perpendicular, sorry. Yeah, so in triangle ABD, tan 60 degree, you know is what? Perpendicular by base. So AB upon BD. Tan 60 is root 3, AB 24. So from here, what can I say about BD? So BD will be how much? BD will be 24. BD goes here, root 3 comes down. So you can rationalize the denominator. So you will have what? 24 root 3 by 3, cancel 8. So BD comes out to be 8 root 3 meter. Distance between the two towers is there. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the second triangle. Second triangle is what? BCD. Yeah. So in triangle BDC or BCD, this is the triangle I'm talking about. In this triangle, if you see, angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree. I again have to find perpendicular. Base is given. So use the same tan theta, that is perpendicular by base. So CD by BD. Tan 30 degree is what? 1 by root 3. Sorry. BD is 8 root 3. So root 3 cancel here. So CD comes out to be 8 meter. So I got the height of the tower. Yeah. So what all I got? I got the distance between. I will keep writing distance between towers. How much is that? 8 root 3 meter. I got height of second tower. How much is that? 8 meter. Fine. Now the third part. Third part says I have to calculate this AC. How will you get this AC? So let's join it. ये line एक parallel join करते हैं नीचे वाली line से. So you know this is a perpendicular. So let's name it E. So in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, what is AC square? Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, what I used over here is Pythagoras theorem. Fine. Shortcut मैं I'm writing. Okay. So from here AC square I have to calculate. So what will be AC? It will be the root of AE square. AE is how much? This whole thing is 24. Yeah. And you know this much you got as 8 meters. So over here also this is 8. So 24 minus 8 is how much? That's 16. Okay, so AE is 16 square. EC will be the base. Base I got as 8 root 3. So that's 8 root 3 square. So let's find out. 256 is the square of 16. 64 threes are what? Just multiply 64 into 3. How much you'll get? 192. Okay, so let's just add it. What we will get over here? That will be 8, 4, 448. So you need to prime factorize it. 448 ko when you prime factorize, what will you get? You can divide it by 8 also. Let's just do division by 8 over here. So 8 fives are 40 and 8 6 are like this. Now what else you will get? 8 into 8 into 7. So what are you getting over here? 8 root 7 meter. That also is there. So this is what? This is the length of the wire. Yeah, so you got length of wire also, 8 root 7 meter. So I got the three answers that I was supposed to calculate. I hope this is clear, students. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Very important question. Read it because it is related to the reflection of a cloud in a lake. Yeah, so you have an given that if the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 10 meters above the lake 30 degree and angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 60 degree, find the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake. First thing is to make the figure. So you have the lake surface. Let's just draw. This is your lake. Okay, surface of lake. Angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 10 meter above. So you go 10 meter above the lake, then the angle of elevation of a cloud. Let's say the cloud is over here. This is your cloud. Okay, so यहाँ से इसका angle of elevation is given how much? 30 degree. Clear? Fine. So over here this much is how much? 10 meter. Now you know that if a cloud lake के surface से how much it is above? This much. Let's say this height I do not know. I'll just name it later on. When you see its reflection in the water, so you see this distance, exactly same distance will be there down till here. The cloud will be seen over here. This is the reflection of that cloud. Okay. Now, from this same point, the angle of depression is given to you. What is given to you? The angle of depression is 60 degree. Clear? Now I have to find the height of the cloud above this lake. This much height I have to calculate. Okay. So now let's begin with here. So AB is a point. Okay. Let A be the point 10 meter above the लेक लेक को मैं नेम दे देती हूँ दिस इज सी डी लेक इज बी डी okay, this is the lake surface. Okay, cloud B at point C. Okay, now let me see, reflection is at, and reflection is at point E. I'm just naming the points. Okay, यहाँ पे इस point को मैं बीच में नाम दे देती हूँ F. Clear? Okay, and let CF equals to H. CF is what? H. So height of the cloud is not H. Height of cloud is how much? It is CD, which is equals to CF plus FD, H plus 10. Okay, that much meter. Now if I talk about this DE, ये DE कितना हो जाएगा total? DE is also H plus 10. Okay, so your DE is also what? H plus 10. Let's take the two triangles now and solve it. Yeah. Now in triangle CAF, what do I have in CAF? I'll take 10 30 degree because angle is 30 degree given is equals to CF by AF. 10 30 क्या होता है? 1 by root 3. CF is H by AF. So from here I got AF as H root 3. Okay, I'll take the big triangle in triangle AFE now. This is E over here. Okay, यहाँ पे tan 60 degree is how much? Tan 60 will be perpendicular is this FE by AF. tan 60 is root 3. How much is FE? FE is pura 10 plus H plus 10 by AF. Okay, so AF will be how much here? 20 plus H by root 3. Okay, now दोनों चीज AF है from 1 and from 2. Can I equate these two AFs? Yes, I can. So H root 3 is 20 plus H by root 3. Cross multiply, root 3 grows here, so it will become 3H is 20 plus H. Take H here, so 2H is 20. H comes out to be 10. H is 10, not the height of the cloud. So height of the cloud above surface I told is how much? It's this. Height of the cloud is H plus 10. So you can say from here, height of cloud above the lake surface is 10 plus 10, 20 meter. That is your final answer. Okay, students, I hope this is clear. Practice the question very well. Fine. So, okay then, I'll come up with more questions. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching the video.